Hi, this is Fiorella from anyhousecleaning, and I received the order for Jon-Don, the store from St. Pete. I live in Davenport, Florida. I ordered last Monday morning, and I received it the next day, Tuesday. But I was waiting to do this video today because the product that I want to use next Saturday for tile and grout, they arrived today. The store from St. Pete, they didn't have it. They shipped it from Jon-Don in Chicago, and it just arrived. The invoice, well, the receipt, and this is the product that I want to test and work with. I heard so much good reviews about this. This is the new line or the new product for Saigers 10 and below. I don't know if he can approach and see this. Can you film this part? Those colors? What I like about this Saiger sauce is that it will appear the pH level and the number. This is pH 10 for pre-spray or deodorized, 9.5 pH, odor absorbent, for tile and actually for carpets too. So the first product, I have been using this product for a while. I love it as a pre-spray for carpets, and sometimes I use it for tile also. This one is I just bought it. I really want to try it. Tile and grout cleaner, pH 13. Okay, this deep blue is all-purpose, all-fiber rinse. I can even rinse the floor with this product. About this is a pet stain and odor destroyer by P-Lime enzyme. This product has some enzyme to digest the urine and destroy any kind of pet odors. The same as this one, I have to read all the labels, okay? But I'm really excited to use these two products. I will use this next Saturday for my new client, the 10 below for tile and grout, and the client requests to sealer the grout and the tile. This kind of sealer is fluorochemical protector. There is two kind of sealer, silicone, and I don't know if I'm killing the word, fluorochemical sealer. This sealer, it will protect not only for water, but for the stain, for coffee, for a spill, for dirt, for oil. And it works perfectly for carpet, upholstery, tile and grout, and even in stone. I have to read all the instruction, and I'm gonna start making some videos. This guy from up north, I don't know exactly where he is at. I think it's Minnesota. I'm not sure. He is Mark Saiger. He's a guru in carpet and tile. He has a prosper business. I watch him so for a long time. I learned a lot of tricks, a lot of procedure. He has his own line of cleaning product and attachments. He's really friendly. He's hard worker. He loves his family, his pets, his employees, and the business. What I like about him is that he's knowledgeable, that he knows a lot about the industry, about carpet and tile, and not only that, that he wants to teach the proper way to clean and raise the bar for other carpet cleaner or any janitorial services. He wants to raise the level and provide an spectacular cleaning services. So I'm coachable. I'm learning for him and for other people on YouTube. And this is Fiorella from Any House Cleaning. Happy to have those products, this line of products, especially for next Saturday. Stay tuned. I will make another video how I use it, the results, and the experience. Thank you for watching. Fiorella from anyhousecleaning.com.